So this is the Kyocera Echo. So we'll start here. We're in just regular single screen mode, just like you'd interoperate with any device right here. So right here, if you just click on email, so you can go into your corporate email. So I've got two emails there. So there's my corporate and my Yahoo. So we'll just grab corporate email there. You can scroll through just like you normally would on any device. And then what makes this device kind of unique is the ability to, see it on this huge screen like this. So that's one of the really nice features of this device.
So that's one giant list that continues from the top down to the bottom.
Exactly. So, or if you want to, well, we can go to work. So let's go here and go check something else out. So now I'm taking a look. Here's my email up here. I can view it, and then down here I can still scroll through these if I want to reply. So I hit reply.
So did that open up automatically into the top screen?
Yeah. Once I click on it.
Gotcha.
Yeah. And then down here on the bottom, of course.
That is the keyboard on the full.
Yeah.
Is that a custom keyboard?
Yeah. So it's our custom keyboard, and there'll be a swipe keyboard in there as well. So this is one where I'm using right now. But so see back out of that, and then like I said, there's my hotel confirmation if I want to compose, do whatever. So I'm going to back up here and go back in. So let's go in and we'll go to hotel confirmation again and pull that up. And then I'm going to click on this and pull up maps on it for you. So kind of give you what I think is the beauty of the device is the usability, not only that, but also just the huge size. You got a lot of real estate here.
So that's 4.7 inches diagonal when you open it up, 3.5 separate.
So let's go here. Grab something there.
Almost got us.
Here we go.
Does navigation just like normal.
Exactly. And then street view. But I just think the real estate that you're getting with this device is just wonderful. We'll back out of here.
Can you show me the home screens and how they work?
Sure. So let's go back to home here.
This, for all intents and purposes, looks like a fairly stock build of it, skin-wise.
It is. So there's Android.
Usual widgets, icons, all that stuff.
Yeah. So just your standard, Android stuff there.
This is the charger. So this is where you can have one charging. Right now you have the other port.
And then the gallery. That's another thing that's optimized to work really nicely on the device here. So we'll pull this up. You can see I've got this pulled up like this. So go to content here. As for each, showed you down there. You can view in the top. So we'll grab a photo. Maybe.
Almost. There we go.
Let's try again.
These are pre-production, you said?
Yeah, they are pre-production models. There we go. So I'll switch to this. So there, you can switch, scroll through these down here, play video. So we'll pull up this video. And if you had 1,000 photos or whatever, you can still view down here. And then if you want from up here, go ahead and you can make this a full screen like this, or full screen like this to watch the video on. And then, if you want to back out of that, cancel, shut that down, go back to your player that you were in. So,
can you show me a little more of the hardware itself? How thick is this thing, or how thin is it? Or so this is a single normal phone.
Yeah, 3.5 inch display. So
here it is next to a Nexus S. About the same. S is a little bigger.
Yes.
So you can have it sitting like this, right? So if you're watching.
What ports does it? Mini USB, standard mini USB?
Yeah, so standard micro USB. There's the SD slot right here. So you get your SD slot here, your micro USB here. you know.
Yes, micro USB, not mini.
Yeah, there's your volume rocker right here. Your on-off button over here.
3.5mm headphone jack.
Yes, 3.5.
What about the camera? I don't think we talked the camera, did we?
It's a 5 megapixel camera.
No front facing?
No front facing camera on the device, you know. So
how big is the battery? I know it comes with the charger, right?
Yeah, it's two 1370s. Okay. So there's 1370 in here in this charger, and a 13.7 in there. So it's a 13.7
like this, right?
Yeah. So if you take a look here with the charger you were just taking a look at, see there's the actual battery, so you can actually switch them out, or you can use this as an additional battery pack charger, whatever you'd like to interoperate with it. So that makes it a really nice usable feature on the device, and as Fareed said, it'll be included in the box. So and here we'll take a look at Sims game, just to kind of give you an idea. So Sims is something we're used to seeing, you know, in a single screen mode.
I think the light is good.
So Sims is loading up here. And this really, I think, optimizes the two screens here again. So you got, you know, the top, you know, we'll go ahead and take a look at the top. You do what you normally do on the device, and here on the bottom, you can interoperate with it. So take a look. So down at the bottom, you're able to do things, change things on the, you know, so we're changing things.
We're an email, right?
That's really what makes it, I think, kind of unique, because you're doing things on the top and using the bottom screen to, you know, maneuver through the device.
Very cool.
And then one other thing I don't think we've shown you here is that I think is really, really nice is, so let's go ahead and launch a browser, okay? So we got Facebook that pulled up there. So there's my typical Facebook and that kind of stuff here. So I'm going to go ahead and touch down here. That toggles up. There's a second Facebook page that pulled up. So if I want to, let's go out here and we'll look. I'm going to go to my bookmarks. And so I'll pull up my Twitter account. So how cool is that for social networking? You've got your Twitter account on the bottom, your Facebook account on the top. You can still interoperate between these two. So if you decide you want to, you just hit the Facebook. You can see your Facebook much larger like that again. And then as soon as you're done, if you want to, you can go back. So there you're on that, taking a look at the full Facebook page, and if you want to go back to your Twitter right there, you can go back to your Twitter. So it's kind of cool if you're getting, you know, you're looking at both. You get a little bit more interested in Facebook, you go in, you go right back to that, and then back out of the Twitter, and then you can go back and forth between the two.
Cool.
So I think it makes it a really unique experience.
I know, consider